I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 1/5 oz can of tuna, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1/4 cup diced celery, and 2 tablespoon minced onion. Open and drain the tuna thoroughly, pressing gently to remove excess liquid. This prevents a watery mix. Measure 1 tsb lemon juice, 1/4 tsb salt, and 1/8 tsb black pepper, and set them nearby. If you like added flavor, prepare 1 tablespoon sweet pickle relish, 1 tsb Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon chopped. Flake the drained tuna in a medium bowl using a fork until small flaky pieces remain. This yields even texture in every bite. Add 2 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1 tsb lemon juice, then fold gently until the dressing coats the tuna without turning soupy. Stir in 1/4 cup diced celery and 2 tablespoon minced onion for crunch, or substitute 1/4 cup chopped cucumber. For variations, mix in 1 tsb Dijon mustard or 1 tablespoon sweet pickle relish. Taste and adjust salt and pepper in 1/8 tsb increments. Portion the finished tuna. This batch yields about 2 servings, each roughly 3.5 oz of tuna mixture, perfect for sandwiches or salads. To assemble a sandwich, spread the tuna on 2 slices of bread, add a 1/4-inch leaf of lettuce and optional tomato slices, and cut in half. For a salad, serve over 2 cups mixed greens. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator at or below 40 degrees F for up to 3 days. Freezing is not recommended because mayonnaise changes texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.